If it's an oil, it's gonna stain your shit and stuff.
Well,
no, the essential oil
you're not gonna
won't,
use
because
that much.
essential oil is
Essential not, but
now the
avocado oil.
avocado
pick
will-
your battle, okay? You have a washing machine, right?
Oh my God.
Don't overdo
That was the best line of the night, I think.
Can you guess why we are using avocado oil or jojoba oil and why we are not using, for example, coconut oil or olive oil?
I read it.
You read it already?
I read it right there.
Yes.
Contains fats.
No, they're all lipids. They're all
Liquid.
lipid is good. But it's just, the reason is actually that coconut oil absorbs too fast. So for the lube, you don't want it to absorb too fast, right? You need
Yeah, getting hot.
yes, exactly. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. Take your clothes out. That's it, right? So basically, that's why avocado, or another good one, you also like, another good one is the jojoba oil. Jojoba, sometimes they say jojoba. It sounds like Jehovah, so I don't want to say that. Yeah. We say jojoba. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, with the yeah, exactly. But sometimes in Spanish people would say jojoba and whatever you want to say, but you know how it's spelled, Jojoba. That's the oil we're talking about. Or avocado, also incredibly good. Okay,
But
so
if you call it ho-ho oil, it works perfectly for this.
ho. Yeah. It's like ho.
You're gonna get a jar, you're gonna mix a big thing
Oh
of
my
it?
God, this is
Yeah.
not clean. That's my water.
Right.
So let's say that we put. I just don't want to make too much right now. We just need to feel this little thing here. So okay, I think this is going to be totally enough. And then before I go into aloe vera, you know.
Your husband's coming home, right?
Yes, I'm gonna. Exactly, he's been away.
Just saying.
But the thing is, I don't really need it. That's the thing. Is I don't have any issues of getting my natural lubes running. I'm good with that. So, okay. So here we go. Aloe vera gel. Also, if you go to the store to buy it, there is so many bad ones. Read the labels. If it has usually. Aloe vera should have aloe vera, that's it. But most labels have this many things. There is all these other chemicals, I don't understand why they read it. So I found one, I think, in Whole Foods. This one I got from Europe. This is one of the cleanest ones. So you can, this one you can't even buy here, this specific brand that I have. Yeah. Or you could also literally take your aloe vera plant
I have like 3 plants. Anyone who wants them. Just let me know. I just moved into an apartment and
you could still, you could have it by your door outside.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
totally, it's a very, very resilient
yeah,
plant. So-
whenever we had a ton of aloe plants at the other place, and so I would just go out and whack a leaf off.
You know what, aloe is so amazing that I do want to do a little education on aloe for you. It's absolutely there, you know, it's known to, to basically have over 150 nutritional ingredients in the plant. It has the most amazing healing and health-giving benefits. But did you know that the amino acids, right, are the building blocks of humans, what we are made of? We ourselves, we produce about 22 different amino acids in the body, right? But we need 22 amino acids to be able to function, right? But about 8 of them our body does not produce. And those are the ones that we need to get from outside with the food, exactly, yes. So guess what? Aloe vera or aloe plant has all 22 amino acids in the plant. So if you add a piece into your smoothie or anything, you're doing so much good for your body, right? So that's another one thing. There are 12 different laxatives in a sap of the leaves that has stimulating effects on the bowel movement. That's aloe. They help with absorption from the gastrointestinal tract and have antimicrobial and pain-killing effects.
Oh, it's slippery, gluey.
Exactly.
Everything slides out.
Exactly. Think of it as a glue that attaches everything to it and brings it out of your body. It's amazing. Another thing about aloe, it has 10 enzymes in it, and those help to break down the proteins we eat into amino acids, right, which make the body cells to function and work efficiently. Just can't go wrong with aloe vera. Also contains minerals such as calcium, magnesium, zinc, manganese, chromium, and selenium, copper, iron, potassium, phosphorus, and sodium.
Wow.
That's aloe. Yes.
Yeah, I need to eat it now.
I'm like,
Yeah.
I need that. I was gonna say, how much stuff I've got 3. And it grows very well.
Yeah.
It's easy to grow here.
It's very
Are you
nice.
growing in a house?
No,
or-
it's in my yard.
Angela, I'll send you a link to, there is this Russian woman in town that we went to her house to do a class once. Her name is Marina. She is like this living encyclopedia of knowledge.
Yeah.
She is completely like,
Plants.
she's a chemical engineer, but she's all about plants. It's a, yes. So she grows this amazing organic, non-GMO aloe in her backyard. And she actually has an Amazon store called Raw Garden, R-A Garden. Write it down, and you can actually order from her these huge aloe vera leaves. Yeah, she has that. It's
Raw
very,
garden.
She's here?
Raw Garden Amazon
Yeah,
store.
out northwest, she has like a big.
Yeah, she lives here,
property.
Northwest.
It's land, and
You know,
she has
of
their
the-
amazing
Yeah,
garden.
she grows lemongrass. She grows eucalyptus.
Herbs and,
Yes,
And you go there and get
well, we did a class there one time.
yes.
But
She has an Amazon
But
store.
she creates her own cleaning product. She has this so, but her store is called Raw Garden. So if you go to Amazon, that's this is Marina's store, and she will. This is who it is.
So
She
you
lives-
just type in raw garden?
Yeah, go
in
to Amazon.
Search.
Yes, go to Amazon store, put Raw Garden products, and it will take you to Raw Garden store, and that's where you will see the aloe vera leaves. If she doesn't have them on sale for some reason, maybe she's out of town, she takes them off the list. Contact me or something, I'll send you, because we can get this aloe from her. She lives right.
Sure.
Yes. These leaves are big and
They're
thick,
big, yeah.
and I just put it in my smoothies, and that's now when we
You
went
don't
to.
have to
Take
take
the peeling off, you just eat
Well,
the
no,
whole
you,
thing?
you,
It's bitter.
she
It's
peeled
not.
Yeah,
no,
peel
she
it.
peeled it, but she
Yes.
used the inside. And she put it in a smoothie, and the one she did, it had the cranberry, it was cranberries, the
She did a cranberry aloe smoothie
cranberry
for
aloe
us.
smoothie, and it was fantastic. Just frozen cranberries with the aloe, and I think it was just water, wasn't it? I can't remember if she
What
put
did she
any
put?
essential oils. I thought it was something. Oh, it might have been a little bit of sweetener. I can't remember.
Honey?
Honey.
It might have been honey or
I don't
agave.
know,
But,
yeah,
yeah.
or maybe just coconut water or something like that.
Yeah, but it was very basic and very simple. It was really good.
It was
like-
amazing, yes.
I was watching some videos about aloe, and they say you have to, once you take it off the plant, you have to keep it in the fridge for
No,
some
you don't.
days,
No, you
so
don't.
it activates some kind of good stuff in it.
No, I think she said it'll
That's
stay good for
almost
like
for a
something
month.
ridiculous, like 3 weeks or.
Are you kidding? It stays
It was
for
like-
months because
Yeah,
what
or maybe it was
aloe
6
is.
months. Maybe it was 3 months. It
Leave
was
it
something
for
really
a
long.
month, so it's better after months, once you take
Sure,
it off
leave
in
it.
the fridge. I don't know, that's
It takes
what
me
they-
weeks to get through that because I use so little only for the
Yeah, but it
smoothie.
gets better after.
Okay,
few
fine,
weeks, they
fine with
say.
me. But it's amazing to watch aloe. It heals itself. You know, like you
It
cut a
does.
piece and it just goes together and heals the wound itself. What does it tell you? If you have
It's-
wounds and things for the skin, it's amazing. Sunburns and stuff like that. So
And it keeps also the moisture sealed in.
yes, it's
Protects
a
it.
miracle plant, and we look at it like a weed. It's absolutely amazing plant. Yeah, it's really easy to grow actually. So with that said, I think okay, it's really high in lignin, which is lignin, and because of this component, aloe vera can soak into the skin up to 7 layers deep, and because being beneficial for skin problems, 7 layers deep. And another constituent is saponins, saponins, and these are soapy substances from the gel that is capable of cleansing and having antiseptic properties. The saponins perform strongly as antimicrobial against bacteria, viruses, fungi, and yeast.
Where do you buy yours or you?
I get it from Marina, and Marina gave me a plant, so I actually planted one in my yard.
Oh.
So,
Does
but
she
it's
sell
not-
this stuff you can drink? The aloe vera drink?
No, you make your own
make
drink or something.
Blend
No,
it
she
with
doesn't.
water